Welcome to BravBuds Adventures.
Bruno the Brave Bunny woke up one sunny morning with a big problemachu. That's the third time I've sneezed today, he sniffled. Outside, the fields were full of blooming sunflowers, tall and golden. Bruno loved sunflowers, but today they made his nose go bananas. He hopped over to his friend Penny the parrot. Bruno, Penny, I think the sunflowers are making me sneeze. Penny, allergies. Let's solve this mystery, detective style. With a tiny magnifying glass and a map of the garden, Bruno and Penny went from flower to flower. They discovered bees buzzing, butterflies fluttering, and pollen floating everywhere. Bruno, achoo Penny, that's it. You're allergic to pollen. But Bruno didn't give up. He wore tiny bunny goggles and a leaf mask, very fashionable, and planted some daisy seeds flowers that don't make him sneeze. Moral of the story: sometimes things we love can be a bit tricky, but with curiosity and a little help, we can find smart solutions.